Hi students, this is Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer. Now I'm going to discuss one important question that is in the mind of so many of you. Okay, next to this question, why Kattappa killed Bahubali? I feel like why AIMS people or INICET people has chosen June 16th, 2021 as the date of examination for this particular session. Of course, there was a little bit drop in the number of cases in the country, but the restrictions in so many areas has been very strict. Okay, so there are many states who are following strict lockdown rules and regulations. I feel this is not a right time to announce this, but as a student, as an aspirant, of course, as a mentor like me, I don't have any other option rather than giving some sort of suggestions to make your preparation better. Okay, so your date now it is officially fixed, that is your June 16th, 2021. So coming to the details, so this is a notification that is dropped, and I'll be focusing only on the dental aspect because majority of the notification is concerned with the medical students too. Okay, so this notification, our focus should be mostly on rescheduling the dates of INICET for admission of PG courses for July 2021 session. And the main focus of a dental student should go to the last aspect. So these are the dates that you have to make a note. So this is all about the rescheduling dates of online examination for July 2021 sessions. Your admit card download will be on 9th, followed by your examination will be on 16th. You don't need to worry about the rest of the documentation, scannings and all this because they are nowhere related to the dental students. Okay, so they are related to the foreign students. Okay, the foreign students, so they are nowhere related to us. So you'll try to focus more on the admit card download dates and followed by your examination date, that is going to be on 16th June 2021. Okay, I hope you are very clear. So now what to be done, okay, how to be done. So all these are big question marks in your brain. Of course, we have uploaded a video and I'll try to drop that link of that particular video in the description of the video and description of this particular session, so you can check it off and you can check that video particular. I don't want to repeat the same content again and again. Now the most important aspect is I want to talk about the checklist. The first important aspect in my checklist is, okay, make sure you take care yourself from COVID-19. So if you are medically fit, psychologically fit in these 14 to 16 odd days, you can revise well and you can perform well. I feel like most of the students were on track. If you are not on track, okay, make sure you start working towards this. Okay, the second important checklist I want to stress on is proper revision plan. So make sure try to follow a proper revision plan. Give more importance to the clinical content. Okay, clinical content followed by the basics content. Okay, means more importance to the final year subjects, fourth year subjects. Okay, then the basic subjects, more importance or more revision. Like you can split it in a ratio of 70:30 time or 65:35 will be an ideal time for revising the aspects for this particular exam. And the third checklist that you have to, third important aspect in the checklist is like repeats. So repeats has to be done properly, particularly questions from 2015 AIMS till the recent, at least till the recent 2020 November session. Okay, INICET AIMS aspects has to be done thoroughly. Okay, and the next one, fourth one. Okay, so fourth one, if you have any access to SRship questions, okay, SRship questions are available either in your Pulse or all the aspects. I'll try to provide as much content as possible on your respective groups. Okay, so you can work on them, you can work on those concepts, brush, like don't spoil your proper revision plan. And whenever you have time, allocate every day 1 hour time for these SRships. Okay, allocate 1 hour time 1 hour every day at a time for these repeats. Allocate much of your time for proper revision. Okay, so recent advances, particularly you should not miss COVID-19. COVID-19 has spoiled everything, but learning about COVID-19 is going to be an advantage in the examination hall, because most of your aspects, clinical based, application based, whether it's a basic question or a dental related aspects, they can ask in combination to the COVID-19. So COVID-19 aspects top to bottom has to be done from all the sides, from all the aspects. Make sure, it's just a logical suggestion, make sure, okay, try to learn COVID aspects before wave 1, or before wave 2. Okay, because exam was postponed due to wave 2. So whatever the complications, whatever the modifications in the treatment protocols and everything which are done after wave 2 may not be there in the question paper, because question paper was prepared or organized, it's just a rough logical suggestion, is prepared before the wave 2. So aspects related to the wave 1, aspects related to the contents before wave 2 can be there in the question paper. So just try to judge and try to go with that. A simple thing is, they may not ask stuff related to the mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is a most common complication which we see after it is associated with the wave 2, but the question paper was logically prepared before wave 1. So all treatment protocols and everything which were released by AIIMS or which were released by the many institutes, standardized articles and everything has to be done or has to be referred, and your reference should be stick on to before wave 2 concepts mostly. If you have an overlapping questions, better go with options which are before wave 2. Okay, right? So, and rest everything, these are the 5 checklists that are mandatory, and I'll try my best to provide you as much contents as possible in this limited 15 to 16 odd days. Okay, so a few of the contents will be shared on your regular Telegram group. The link of the Telegram group will be attached in the description box, or else you can just search MDS Conquer family on your Telegram wall, and you may get access to that. That's a free access which can be accessed by every student. And rest of the contents, your aspects which are given in the recent 2 or 3 sessions of INI CET, as well as the recent RQs related to your SR ships and everything, will be constantly moved or constantly discussed on the group from tomorrow. And I want every student to be active. I don't want to modify your schedules. Okay, day before yesterday, 2 days before, I was talking to a few of you. I dropped a message on your respective groups regarding this notification. Fortunately, on the next day the notification was out. Okay, it's a good sign. I hope you're doing good. So, but let's because now the dates are fixed, let's start working towards that. Already 6 mocks are being uploaded, so I'll try to provide you more contents to make your revision simple, effective and everything. So we'll try to provide you as many single learners as possible. A short video of 3-4 minutes. Let's start a revision in an organized way. So all the all aspects related to the revision will be discussed, and so that's all from my side. Okay, so finally, I just want to conclude. I don't want to say all the best. Okay, so basically we are fighting against COVID-19. Now it's going to be a fight against this June 16th. Okay, so thing is, let's work hard. The only thing I can suggest you is, let's work hard. Okay, so don't stress yourself. I know that most of you are stressing yourself regarding this examination. Okay, you're being positive. Okay, you're being COVID positive, your family is being suffered, and I don't want you to stress yourself on this examination. Okay, let's play the game cool. It is not problem with you. It's not problem with a particular community. It's problem with entire country. It's problem with the entire world. Everyone are suffering. It's not only you that is being suffered. Everyone are suffering. So I don't want you to stress yourself again more. I don't want you to stress more on this. Okay. Let's and the second aspect, I don't want you to take it as granted. Okay, whatever you can do within your limitations, just try to enjoy. Just try to do it. I'll try my best to sit along with you. Okay, I'll read, and I'll try to make your revision smooth. Okay, so most of the contents I'll try to post on the YouTube channel. Okay, so because I need my point is very clear. I want to help everyone. Okay, everyone are suffering, so there is no discrimination here. I want to help everyone. Okay, major content will be actively shared on your Telegram free groups. The link will be shared below. You can use that link and do follow the Telegram group. I'll try to help you out within my limitations, and maximum content revisions and live sessions will move around these few days, which me and my team are ready to help you to perform this exam best. This is not an exam of you. Okay, it's an exam for us. We're going to work as a team. We're going to help you in this pandemic situation to make you psychologically more strong. Getting a rank in INICET is not our goal. Not our goal. Don't stress for that. Okay, we'll fight together. That's what I say. We'll fight together. We'll learn something. After giving this exam, we'll try to learn something from this. That's what the main goal of this session of INICET. Love you all. Stay positive. God bless you, and make sure the villain is ready in front of you. That is COVID-19. Okay. Follow the protocols, follow the principles, and make sure you force the people around you, because you are in a professional way. Okay, you are in a profession where you need to guide your family, where you need to guide people around you, influence your friends, and make sure they follow. Okay, so that we can fight against this and we can come out of this and we can lead a normal life. Bye. Take care.